go from start to end how it is working. Okay, so here you can see it has it has given me the output, and it has listed me the complete end-to-end data engineering roadmap, okay, for a Python developer. Yeah, so this is the same thing which you can create it. So in order to create it, what you need to do, you need to first go to Google this website called v0.dev. Okay, so this is a v0.dev by Vassal. So this is one of the good you can say platform where you can create the no code app. Okay, and it is a fraction, within a fraction of time you can create it. Second thing what you need to do, you need to go to the openrouter.com. Okay, so this openrouter.com is one of the best place where you can get the free APIs for accessing the LLM models. Okay, so here if you in order to use it, what you need to do, you need to first make an account in this open router. Okay, so just make account and just click on the search bar. So here you can see the various LLM models and the providers are mentioned over there. Okay, so here you can just go down and find where are the free ones. So I can find that yeah, this Kimi Dev 72 billion, that is also one of the good thing. I think it is a free of course. So say for example, I will go ahead with Kimi. So what is the context length? Its context length is like 131K. So it is the best. Okay, and it is 72 billion. So what do you need to do? You need to go to API section. Okay, and go to the TypeScript. Okay, you can also go with Python as well. Okay, but I will take it with the TypeScript. So and next thing, I will copy this TypeScript and I will paste it here. Okay, in Notepad I have pasted. That's all. So okay, now again I will go back to this dev v0.dev. Here also you need to just make account and create this account, right? That's all. Yeah, you are good to go. And from this what is a open router? Yeah, in open router, after that you need to create the API keys. Okay, so if you click on the settings and then go to the keys, it will show you the different versions. If you have if you have created any keys, it will be shown here. Here there is no keys, so I will create API key. And what is the model name? Model name was maybe, so I'll write a sample name like a sample key. Okay, and I'll create it. So it has given me the key. So I'll copy this key. Okay, and I'll paste it here. So I'll delete this key. So you will not be able to use this key for a demonstration purpose. I'm showing this key. Okay, so this API key is available. Done. Now next thing is I will go to this app, and once you create it, the account, it will show up to this kind of windows. And the left hand side you need to go to the chat, and here you can see v0 1.5 medium version is there. So by default it is mentioned, so you will you need to choose it the medium one. Then next thing, I will write a simple prompt: build me an highly uh, sty stylish dynamic chatbot app or DeepSeek with API configuration. Okay, I can use API to connect connect different LLMs through open router. Okay, and I will paste this TypeScript code here. Okay, so now magic will start. So this will make an end-to-end new app for you. So let us wait for 2 minutes. So let us take a pause of 2 minutes. See this v0.dev, it has given me the stylish app, simple chatbot app. Okay, it has given me the app. Now here I can see in settings, I can select the open routers API key and different model it is mentioned over here. Okay, so since I given specifically the open router, so it has taken the all three models which are available. Okay, so what I will do, I will take up Kimi Dev. Okay, and I will give my name open router key. Okay, so open router key, I have this key, so I will copy it and I will paste it. Site name styles chatbot. Save configuration. So style is AI chatbot and model keyword dev 72 billion parameters. Okay, so now I believe this chart is ready. So let us play with this chat. Hey, how's up? So it is showing that open router API connection is not a function. So I will ask it to fix it. So let us wait for a while. Meanwhile, let us see one app is also generated with lovable.dev. It is also one of the very good platform of no code for app generation. Okay, so let me copy my open router key here and save it. So it's ready. Hello, I'm your assistant. Hi, what's up? So let's see if it is working correctly. So it is thinking, that means behind the line API it is it is working, because the thing, that means it has successfully created connections. Yeah, so I think this is good. Okay, but one thing, I don't want to see this kind of thinking and all this stuff. I just want only output. Okay, so I will ask this guy, hey, app is cool, but I don't want uh, thinking process to be visible. I'm only interested in your response. Furthermore, also make app chart app a stylish design. Okay, so I have given the prompt to just redesign and rework on the app with these two suggestions. So this lovable.dev, behind the line there are, it is like an agentic workflow, so it will be working behind the line to fix it as per my instructions. So let us wait for a while. Meanwhile, v.dev, v0.dev, it has okay, it is it seems like it is available. So let us configure first the API key. So I will put up API key here and I will choose key dev uh, subo substack chart app. Okay, I just gave the random name. So now let me initiate my chat. So it seems like yeah, it is working, but the thing is I am not at all interested in this logging which it is showing. So I will ask the app, hey, uh, I don't want logging to be visible to be visible to user. Only show your response in app with sounds while response is done. We design the app. So what I want that I don't want to see this kind of things. I am only interested with your response. Okay, so let us wait for a while. Meanwhile, let us check for the lovable.com. So okay, it is showing some error. So I'll say try to fix this error. So let us wait for a while to see. You can see it is automatically coding, it is automatically redesigning, thinking, structuring the instructions and the number of steps. And of course, it is using TypeScript. It's like a front end to develop the web app. So it is so amazing, and it seems like error got fixed. hello, let me talk with this neural chat. Oh, it has also given the name. Oh, that's fantastic. Here you can see, hey there, how can I assist you? Hey, I'm keen in new in tech AI world. So, can you write end-to-end study plan for agentic AI workflows? So I just give randomly the name. So now let us wait for the response, how beautifully it is giving. So it is a new web app. Okay, you can host anywhere this app. You can also download this app, and here it has mentioned publish the app. Okay, you can also publish the app as well. Since I have already given the API key, so it will not ask me again the API key, even though it is. Let me first give this key as well. So yeah, hey, yeah, can you write down end-to-end end-to-end study plan for agentic AI workflow? So you can see, I can see my write-up in the green panel, green palette. It's beautiful, and the response is in same purple outlet. So it's quite amazing. So in let us see in VI. So this V0, it seems like it is ready. Now let me configure my open router key. So I'm putting my open router key. Let me try out with a DeepSeek model. It is of course free. Then I will say India chat bot. Okay, here you can give some URL if you want to just deploy it. And I'll save my configuration. And I'll say, hey, are you available? So yeah, see behind the line, I think process is going on. Excellent. Here I can see it is responding. That means it is going to the router in the backend from this app. It is going to the open router through API key. It is making a call. So this is a wonderful web app. You can see. I think this is a simple app which I have created. Here you can also see the different parameters like powered by open router, because I have specifically given. You can also give your own name if you want to do. Right, this is a simple chatbot app. So I hope guys you like this video. If you like this, feel free to comment and hit the like button for this video. And if you have any comments, feel free to ask in the comment section. And thank you very much for watching this video. Goodbye.